what's up, what's going on? I hope you all are doing well. Before I say anything else, Happy New Year to all of you guys. I know it's too late to say Happy New Year, but this is my first video of the new year. So Happy New Year to all of you guys. And today I'm going to review the Nissan Almera. As you can see, this is the Nissan Almera. So I'm going to review it today. So please do watch the video till the end and enjoy it. And if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Laris.
I wonder if God got a plan for everyone. I wonder if I could take a second run. Cause I carry on getting sad and getting stuck. What I wouldn't give for a life that doesn't suck. I'm a moving target. I never finish what I've started. I'm a moving target.
So guys, this is going to be the key of the car. So as you can see, this is the Nissan Almera key. So you can unlock the car, you can lock the car, and you can even open the boot from there. So let me just show you how to be open the boot. So this is the boot button and here's the boot. So as soon as I press this thing, the boot opens. So this is a cool feature of the car. Okay, so this is going to be the front profile of the car. As you can see, the front profile of the car looks really nice. So just check out the front profile. Looks phenomenal. So first of all, starting with the headlamps. These are your halogen headlamps, halogen indicators, and you're getting a halogen fog lamp. You're getting this nice chrome finish over here. You can see this is going to be a fog lamp of the car. Then you're getting a towing hook over here. You're getting a nice grille, matte finish, matte black matte finish, or you can say matte black finish. Then you're getting some chrome element over here, Nissan logo over there, and you can see how cool it looks from the front. This is the hood of the car. That's the thing. You're getting your wipers over here. And guys, this is the front profile. Let's go towards the side profile of the car. So you can see this side profile looks really nice of the car. Looks stunning. Let me just show you from here. Yeah, it looks phenomenal. You can see the length is so much of the car. And talking about your wheels or rims, so the tire size is 185, 65 are 15. So these are 15 inches tire, 15 inches rims, and the tire used in this car is the Bridgestone tires. Nice rim, Nissan alloys. This alloy wheel really designed awesome. You're getting a disc brake over here, not getting a disc brake at the rear. So disc brake at the front, drum brake at the rear. Then you're getting a nice mirror over here. And see how cool it is designed. So you're not getting any indicator over here. You're getting the indicator over here. And you're getting chrome handles. And there's no any chrome over here. You're getting chrome handles over there. You can see drum brakes. Let's check out the rear profile of the car now. So this is the rear profile of the car, as you can see. So it's really nice. The rear profile, you're getting Nissan logo over here, Almera badging, rear tail lamps which are halogen. So halogen indicators, halogen reverse light, and this is your halogen brake light. And you're getting these radiums over here. So let me tell you the use of this radium. So this thing is called a radium, which is kind of shining right now. So the radiums are for, like, suppose the car is parked now. In the night, this dark over here, okay, it's fully dark. So when a car light comes on this, like when the rays of the another car light touches these radiums will shine like a star. Then this is a signal that okay, there's a car over there. So let's not go from that lane. They will change the lane of the car, of their car, which the person is driving. So this is a really good part. And then you're getting rear parking sensors. So let me tell you the use of this rear parking sensors. Suppose there is a wall over here, okay, the car is reversing and you're not getting where to stop exactly. So this parking sensors, reverse parking sensors, suppose they are going to touch the wall almost, so these will like beep 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 beep, that sound will start coming. So you will get to know that okay, here where I have to stop, and you will stop the car. That's how the reverse parking sensors can help you while reversing your car. And this is how your rear profile is. So you're not getting any sharp fin antenna, you're getting a normal antenna over here. So let me show you the rear seat right away. And before that, you can see the exhaust is vibrating crazily. So this is going to be the rear door. Just awesome. You can see you're getting a door handles, no chrome anything over here. You're getting door handles, power window switch, so you can control the power window from here. You're getting a speaker, some amount of storage space, and this is plastic, lots of hard plastic over here. So this is a plastic, expected to be leather or fabric, some things, but it's plastic, no problem. But if you keep your hand on this, then you get really good support. So let's enter the car. Okay, so here I sit and the door is closed. You can see how good the legroom is there of the car. Really nice legroom. And you're getting rear AC vents, which are super duper easy in terms of usability. You're getting a rear AC blower controller. That's awesome. Because in some cars you don't even get AC controls. Nissan is offering you AC control, AC vents as well as AC control. That's really awesome. So well done Nissan for that. You're getting magazine holder only on this seat, not at the driver's seat. So that's a bummer. You're getting grab handle over here. So let me tell you the use of this grab handle as well. For example, your car is on a bad patch and shaking crazily. So you're feeling uncomfortable. So you feel like, let me hold something over here and let me get some support. So this is for the support. This handle is for the support. That's why this is known as the grab handle. And if you talk about the seat comfort, it's baffling how the seat comfort is. You're getting armrest with 2 cup holders. That's nice. Getting 2 adjustable headrests, which are adjustable. Not getting any center hedges. So okay, it's fine. But still you can make 3 people sit over here. That's how comfortable it's gonna be. And this seat is not a leather, it's a fabric, high quality fabric. And the comfort you get in this fabric seats is awesome. Okay, so let's do a legroom test. So as you can see, I have good legroom at the rear. Let me show you the legroom at this front seat over there. I'll get enough legroom over there as well. So if you want to check this, just check it. Here I open the door, I sit over here. That much legroom I'm still getting here. So you can see how spacious the car is in terms of comfort and all. So that's awesome. Okay, so let me show you the driver's seat of the car. So let's see the driver's seat of the vehicle. This is your door handle. You can see okay, whatever. You're getting a nice door over here. Again, plastic over here. Door handle. You're getting all your 4 power windows control over here, and the driver side window control is 1 touch. I leave my hand, the window's down. But unfortunately, it's just 1 touch down, not 1 touch up. You can lock, central locking. You can child lock your windows from here. So that's awesome. Getting some storage space over here. And keep documents over here. And keep a water bottle, 1 liter water bottle, which is already kept there, as you can see. You're getting some amount of storage space over here. Then you're getting your driver's seat. So talking about the driver's seat comfort, the driver's seat adjustment, which is manual. So this lever is actually not for the height, but for the thigh support. So you can increase this. I'm now lowering the thigh support, and you can as well increase it. That's so cool. This is for your recline angle of this seat. From this lever you can make the seat front back. As per your height you can adjust it. And this is your, you can control your outside rear view mirrors from here. These are your outside rear view mirrors. Well, you can control it from here. AC vents again over here. Very super duper easy to use, actually. Super duper easy. And if I let's sit in the car actually. Okay, the door is closed. Seat is back. You can open actually fuel from there. You can open your bonnet from there with that lever. And if you want to open your boot, here is the lever. That's awesome. And guys, as you can see, this is going to be the steering of the car. So you can see how good the steering is. Actually, this same steering was in the Sentra, Nissan Sentra 2015 model. I remember it. You can see the video. I've dropped the link in the description box. So in that video, Nissan Sentra had the same steering, but the thing was the steering was in black color and this is in grey color. So that's the difference. Other than that, the steering is same. You're getting a Nissan logo. So you can change your channels from here. If you're running on FM, you can increase and you can increase and decrease the volume. You can pick a call, decline a call. Again, Nissan logo over there. You're getting an airbag also over here, and that's how the center console of the car. Nice system, getting quite good AC controls. I like this thing. So attention to detail is awesome. So you're getting your AC blower control. So and this is, you can decide how hot and cold you need. This is for the cold. The arrow is pointing towards cold, so I'll get cold air. If it's pointing to the red side, I'll get I'll get hot air instead of cold air. This is for your blower. You can see if you want the air to come on your face, or you want to come it on the face and leg, or you want it to come on the leg only. So that's how is the thing. And for example, you're on the AC and you keep this button off, you're not going to get any cold air, because you just get normal outside air. So that's the thing. If on this now, I can feel the cooling. Otherwise, when this was off, I couldn't feel any cooling. That's how it works. The gearbox, this gear lever feels nice to hold. Getting a handbrake over here. You can keep your phone or some papers. No, I don't think you can keep some papers. You can keep your phone actually over here. Then this is actually your armrest. You can keep your hand and rest your arm on this. But the bummer thing over here is you can't open this thing. And this is the air filter of the car. You can't open this armrest because this is actually connected to the rear AC vents. So this is not going to open. That's a bummer over here. But it's fine. Again, lots of dummy buttons over here. And if I talk about the instrumental cluster, this is your instrument cluster. So you can see your tachometer. You can see a speedometer. You can, that's how it is. You can see your gear lever, in which gear it is. So right now it's in park. So I can see park over here. Lots of telltale lights. So this is your handbrake lever. This is for your seatbelt warning. And that's how it is. And if I open the door, it's got to show me that the door is open. The driver's side door is open. So attention to detail is awesome in this car, I'm telling you guys. And at the right side, you're getting your light stock. And at the left side you're getting a light stock, and on the right side you're getting your wiper stock. So if you want to use the wipers, awesome. The wipers and the water spray is awesome in this car. It will clean your windshield in no time. That's really nice. These AC vents are super duper easy to use, I told you. And this is even very easy. I thought that even this is going to be like that one, round. But never mind, this is even really nice. Again, you're getting really nice piano finish sort of thing. So I'm telling you guys, attention to detail is amazing. So this is for the system, you can play in you can play in aux, USB, and as well as in Bluetooth. So that's so awesome. You can see there's a aux button, there's a USB button. There's a aux port and a USB port. So that's how it is. You can open your glove box from here. So you can see how spacious it is. Again, you can keep some stuff over here. So attention to detail is awesome in the car. Okay guys, so let me show you the lights of the car. So first of all, let's just off the AC. Okay, so let me show you the headlights and the tail lights and the indicators as well of the car. So here is the lights button. I've on it. Okay, so that's how it works. I've on it. It's a high beam. Okay, and let me on the hazard lights as well. You can see it's on. Even the fog lamp is on. So let me just show you right away. Okay, you can see the indicators, how they are lighting up. Awesome. You can see when the lights are on, the effect it gives is bombastic. You can see the light throw even on the road is really nice, as you can see little bit, but when it's night time you will feel it more better. So this is how the throw you can feel. You can see fog lamp, your indicators, headlamps. It's awesome. You're checking this thing, really nice. I love it. And at the rear, if you see, brake light, indicators, quite effective guys. I'm telling you, it's really effective and it's awesome. So let's just let me show you the audio system now. Let's hear to an audio right away. So I've closed the door, and if you talk about the interior lights, it's actually in orange, so that's cool. So let's just off the lights. Here I off it. Okay, so guys, let's hear to an audio right away. And if you hear to the sound system of the car, it's awesome. The audio quality, clarity is really nice, and the bass of the car is really good. So the audio system is not bad, really nice of the car. And if you talk about the airbags of the car, so if you talk about the safety of the car, first of all, build quality is awesome. You can see how heavy the door feels. Let me just show you. Build quality is awesome of the car. You're getting 2 disc brakes at the front, not at the rear. Then you're getting 1 airbag over here, 2nd airbag over there, and that's much it is. So you're getting 2 airbags in the car. This is a seat belt over here. Let me just show you. This is seat belt over here, but you don't get any height adjustment as such. If you talk about the vanity mirror, so this is the vanity mirror. Now it's actually covered. This plastic cover is done, so I can't show you much. Whatever, this is the mirror. You're getting a cover with it, no light, and at the side there's no mirror, no light, nothing. So that's a bummer. Lights over here. You're getting a mic over here. As I told you, there's a Bluetooth setup in this, so you obviously get a mic, and that's how it is. And if you want to hear the horn of the car, let me just show you the horn. That's the horn of the car. Okay guys, so I hope I've showed you each and everything. One more thing, let me show you the brake pedal, accelerator pedal. So guys, I hope I've showed you everything. You can just see the interior of the car. And if you want to see how you can operate your fog lamp, so as I've on the headlamps. So if I want to off my fog lamp, I'll off it from here. If I want to on it, I'll on it here. So you can see this is the fog lamp, this thing. So if I off it, it will go. If I on it, it will come. So that's the attention to detail, which is awesome. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it informative, and if you found it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Laris. Guys, I'm exhausted. Please do like to my video, please guys, please. And with that said, meet you guys in the next video really soon. So till then, bye bye, take care and drive safe.